record. It's fine now.
Yes,
That's fine. My presentation today is titled A Case Study of Risk Mitigation Using Artificial Intelligence. I will be discussing different definitions for artificial intelligence and the associated applications. I will be showing some videos in self-driving car using artificial intelligence and another application in computer auditing. The artificial intelligence impact on business, risk mitigation, which is debatable, and finally the conclusion. Let me start first by defining the meaning of the artificial intelligent word. Artificial means copy of something natural, which is usually made by human. Intelligence is an act. It's an act of accuracy, flexibility, or learning from experience. There are several definitions for artificial intelligence. As we can see, it might be a device or intelligence demonstration, which is an act again, or a software or machine that mimics human minds. So, going back to the definitions, device that perceives its environment and takes action that maximizes its chance of successfully achieving its goals. Machine mimics functions like human minds, such as self-learning and problem solving. Intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and other animals. It's a software that enhances and automates the knowledge-based work conducted by humans. Simply, it's the technology that can think humanly. This is the general definition of all of the above. Artificial intelligence has progressed rapidly in the recent years, and there are several applications. Some of them are automatic speech recognition. There are a lot of applications. These are only some of them. Driverless cars, digital assistant for nurses and doctors, and AI-enabled drones to speed up disaster relief operations. Now allow me to present like 4 minutes videos in different AI application. I will start by the self-driving cars. This is Tesla car. It's basically equipped with 5 cameras, 1 camera at each side, front right, front left, middle, rear left, rear right. These cameras are connected to an image processing processor, powerful processor. The limitation here is that this technology is very expensive. In order to embed all these technological equipments, imagine now how many taxi drivers will lose their job if this is adopted in big countries with big populations, like, for example, China. Small countries with 2-3 million population,
they will go and work as data analysis.
and then they will invent or adopt another AI app.
So we will answer Dr. Jack question this morning.
We'll say we have a new job coming. We'll take care of AI or take care of robot.
The only nice thing I like in this video is that yes, that you don't have to waste your time finding parking, especially when it's crowded or when you are late on a meeting or something. You just leave the car and rush quickly to your meeting. I'm gonna show you now an application that I found. It's called Mike. It's in computer auditing. In fact, I'm not a specialist in computer auditing, but I would like to share this. Sorry for the sound. As we have seen, there are several applications for artificial intelligence, but are these applications useful or harmful? AI is a dual-use area of technology. It means that it can be useful for human and it can be harmful. The drones, smart drones or autonomous drones that can be used to deliver packages can also be used to deliver explosives. In Dubai, I have seen it in real here, Costa in Jumeirah. They deliver coffee to the visitor of the beach. Or what you need is you just need to call them by phone and send them your location, and they will deliver the coffee by the drones. Yeah. So this is the usefulness of the now artificial intelligence impact on business. Of course, it saves time and money by automating routine process and tasks, as we have seen in different applications. It increases productivity and operational efficiencies. It avoids mistakes, human errors by implementing and adopting smart systems. and it can also help in personalized experience and predict customer preferences. On a study made by Deloitte University, managers who were enthusiastic about new application based on AI have successfully freed up staff resources, and they have been reallocating them. The nice thing that they did not lose their job, they have reallocated them to another creative projects, and where also they can deal directly with clients and customers. Of course, we know that it's very boring to sit behind the keyboard to input, process, and communicate huge amounts of data. Due to this, they were able to manage to free up 1 billions of hours. And this can be utilized in creative projects, as I mentioned. And they have also done a potential saving of $41.1 billion instead of $3.3 billion when there were no AI applications. However, and based on the research made by Professor Nick in the Super Intelligence book that he published in 2014, the transition from high-level artificial intelligence over human intelligence could potentially happen very quickly. When we say very quickly, means they are talking about 10 to 40 years, because they have made a survey with a group of researchers, and they concluded that between 10 to 40 years, we, as a human professions, and even typical human, we will all lose our job. Now, risk mitigation. Losing job due to potential automation technology needs to reorganize or requalify employees to keep them in jobs. Okay, since based on this study, they have saved 41.1 billion. Now, all these wealth created by machines must be distributed fairly to those who are leaving their job. There is also an effect of machine interaction in human behavior and attention. An AI application that is created by human might have a biased decisions. This needs to be eliminated, and security of AI systems as well. Mitigation against unintended consequences, as a smart machine are assumed to learn and develop independently. Now, the debate that comes here, that a serious research in AI risk mitigation must be conducted to identify unknown unknowns. Human learning from mistakes, but it's very difficult to plan something that we don't know how to anticipate. Thank you.